reports a heavy damage in the Three Rivers area. You need to take cover.
That's what first responders in southwest Michigan heard Friday afternoon. A severe storm system produced 4 tornadoes that ripped through communities and killed 4 people.
Dozens were also hurt in the storm. A state of emergency is in effect in Cass, St. Joseph, and Branch counties as people recover and rebuild.
We have Sarah Flynn here with the path each twister took from the moment they touched down. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning. Finally getting all of the paths finalized, the ratings, the peak wind speeds, and of course, all of the damage that came along with it. A lot to unpack here, but the biggest takeaway I want you to know is this came from one singular supercell that really tracked just south of I-94 throughout the afternoon and evening Friday, producing 4 separate tornadoes. You have to remember it did lift at times and then retouch back down, and in order from west to east, an EF1 to an EF0, starting in Edwardsburg, tracking all the way towards Clarendon. That Union City tornado, an EF3, by the way, the most intense tornado that we've had since 1980, and the most damaging, highest rated tornado that we've had in the season, the earliest in the season, of course, coming in early March here.